So if you have dropped a stitch in Garter, no worries. It is a little bit different from just traditional stockinette stitch in that you have two different moves you have to do. So the first thing we have to do is identify, are we on a purl row right now or on a knit row? And I will show you how to do that. So let's take a look at this stitch right here. And the way that you figure it out is you look for the purl bump in front of the stitch. And this might look then like there's a purl bump, but if you peek behind it, you can see that it is behind the stitch. So this is actually a knit stitch. So if we go down one, hopefully you can see the difference. This one has the bump directly in front of it. And if we peek behind, that purl bump is like way down further. Okay, so that means that we are on a purl stitch with this purl bump right here. Grab a crochet hook, makes it a lot easier, and we're going to go in through the front of this stitch. And it should be oriented the right way. Just make sure it's not twisted. It hopefully will just sort of naturally lie the correct way. But we put our crochet hook in there and we grab this bar of yarn that's right on top and pull it through. Okay? And then, do you see that motion I did there? Twisting it so that it is oriented correctly. Now, this next bar that's over the top of it, we actually need to bring that around to the front. And then we're sticking the crochet hook in through the back and grabbing it and pulling that up. And those are our two moves, going in through the front, grabbing the bar in the back, pulling it through. And actually, if you don't enjoy getting the purls from the other side, you can move the strand to the front and then turn your work and just do a knit stitch from the back. Just make sure you're grabbing the correct strand of yarn. And what do we do with the stitch that's left over? I'll show you which needle to place it back on. So if your working yarn is over to the right, you're going to place the stitch back on your left hand needle because it still needs to be knit. So if I had placed it on the right hand needle, you see how the yarn ends up, the working yarn ends up here, and then we'd be skipping over that stitch to knit. So make sure it's on the correct needle.